Hello everyone, today we are going to learn on how to enable to autocorrect for misspelled word, since most people while typing they end up making sudden mistakes, so today I'm going to show you how you can enable the mode of autocorrect. So start by going in settings. Then go on devices. After getting results like this, slide down to typing. And now as you can see for spelling, we have to autocorrect misspelled words, so click this button to enable it, and beneath you can see that we have a button that highlights misspelled words. And there you have it, so for now your words will be autocorrected. So thanks for watching and make sure you subscribe.